This is a review on Harbor Freight Hercules batteries. I've been using them for my drill, but mainly I've been using them for this e-bike. And this has worked really good until I've been going over jumps and this is breaking, so I'm about to make a new battery for this e-bike. I'm gonna make it out of these battery packs. I'm gonna take them apart and put the packs all together. Here's a smaller battery pack, but it's still Hercules. Those are Samsung cells in there. And this battery is exactly the same as this one, except there's 2 rows of batteries in there. And it doesn't have, the bigger packs don't have that aluminum heatsink. I've been using these batteries for about a year and I haven't had any problems. But this smaller pack, you can tell, got overheated, so it won't charge. But all these cells are still good, so I'm just gonna use them for something else. I'll have the new video about the battery I'm building up in the next day or 2, so if you could subscribe and hit the like button, that'd be great.